Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go over how to remove this chrome strip on the Nissan Versa. So if your Versa look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure from 2019 to wherever they start making this body shape. So I guess the key was locked out and they try to pry the door open, and you see the result right here. So actually what we're going to do, we're going to replace this chrome strip, which starts from right here, go all the way to right here. So you're going to need a door open. Now with the door open, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. I have one right here. So you have like some clips. I can see one of the clips through here. You can see this clip right here. We have those clips. So guys, there's a guy blowing out there, and I have to work. They're blowing with the blower, but I have to work, so I'm gonna continue. Hope you guys can hear me and be able to see what I'm doing. So you can start at the edge right here, but it's kind of overlapping there, so you don't want to go down in there. Start from in the middle so you can actually bend it out. So like I was saying, you have some clips right here, so you want to get the clips in, get one out like that, and then the clips are probably like 8 inches apart. So you get down on here. So that's what you're gonna do it. So you just want to search where the clips are. Once you find them, right it. Just like that. So when I take it out, I'm gonna show you what I really did, what I really do, because you can pry it out just like that, but there's an easier way. You push the clip in first and then pry it down. So once you take that out, just push it to the front or pull it out from the car, get it out. As you see, it goes into here. So that's why you want to bring the middle out and put that on first. Once that's done, slide the front part out, which hook in here. So this part right here, hook in there. So that's how you remove that part, guys. So guys, you wanna get your new chrome strip, put it over the door. Make sure you get it slide into the ends first. Alright, so what I did, I get this end slide in over here first. Now it's time to get this end in here. And once that end is in there, you can line up these and just push them up. So that's the goal, right? So what I'm doing now is just setting the clips to the holes in the body of the car. that's it, guys. That's what you do that. Make sure it's secure, nice and tight. You close the door. You can close the door to make sure everything is good. So the reason why the door don't close is because I have this right here that I'm changing. So that's why, but as you can see, that is done. Peace out. See you next time.